Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on this KitchenAid dishwasher on how to fix the third tray here if it's stuck. In my case, it happened after delivery, and there's a there's part of the dishwasher there that kind of moves. It's probably for drying, that was not allowing this tray to come out fully. As you see now, it does. So what had happened was, during delivery, the delivery techs pushed the top of the dishwasher, which is, I guess, a soft aluminum top, down, and that little fan had come down and it was blocking this tray from coming out. So all I did was had to go remove this tray very carefully, and then push that fan up. It popped up the top again, and it allowed room for the fan to basically to coexist and work and allow this tray to come out. So I had looked it up and there was nothing out there, so I decided to make a quick video for it. Hopefully it helps somebody out. Bye.